Here we have a 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe. This car came in on trade to us, just the way you see it, from a local gentleman that drove it around to a lot of the shows. I remember seeing this car at a few of the shows here locally. This car is all steel and all stock for the most part. These 39 Coupes are, and always have been, a very popular car. Popular body style. Everybody likes the swooping back line there with the split window in the rear. And this one certainly captures all of that as well. You see a lot of these cars have been street rotted over the years, so it's kind of nice to see one that's still wearing all of its stock clothes and still wearing its flathead V8 engine as well. So as we go around this, you can also see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll take a look at the inside here. Very good looking interior. You can see there's no staining in the door cards or the interior that I could find. The upholstery is in good shape as well. Take a look there. It's got the nice mat in it as well. The dash is beautiful. I would say that it probably has been redone at some point in its life, but looks very, very nice and clean. Fresh gauges. Even got the clock in the door there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
The visors are in good shape there. Headliner. All nice and tight, clean. Again, no stains, no foul odors in this car. You know, no mothballs or storage things to worry about here. All right. I'm gonna get the hood opened up and we'll get this one fired up for you. Okay, I got the hood open and we're ready to fire this one up. Just got the push button over here. Got the key, the ignition switch on. Here we go. And just like that, she's running. Let's go take a look. The thing I love about these flatheads is how quiet and smooth they run. And this one's no exception. Excuse me. Running beautifully. It appears it's got a newer or rebuilt carburetor on it. Just nice and smooth, not missing a beat. We'll go around back and take a listen as well. On the way though, I do want to point out this car, as you can see, looks gorgeous from even this distance. If you get up really, really close, there is some checking in the paint that's happening on this car, and I want to be sure just to let folks know about that. You can see the spot right there. There's some down at the bottom of the door, a little bit on the quarter panel there, as you can see right by the fender, and a few other various spots. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a few spots of the checking right there as well. So again, check out all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are available to protect your purchase after the sale.